Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FoodTech 360. In this video, we are doing FoodTech quiz number 47, topic drying and dehydration. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. In air convection dryers, the rate of drying depends upon the dash. Options A. Pressure, B. Air velocity, C. Vacuum, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Air velocity. Question number 2. In this type of dryers, trays are arranged through which hot air is blown to dry the food present in the trays. Options A. Cabinet dryer, B. Spray dryer, C. Roller dryer, D. Fluidized bed dryer. Correct answer A. Cabinet dryer. Question number 3. The foods which contains moisture less than that normally present in natural fruits, vegetables or meats but more than dehydrated foods are known as dash. Options A. Low moisture foods, B. Intermediate moisture foods, C. Insoluble moisture foods, D. Genetically modified foods. Correct answer D. Intermediate moisture foods. Question number 4. The removal of water from the food by various methods is known as dash. Options A. Rehydration, B. Hydration, C. Solubilization, D. Dehydration. Correct answer D. Dehydration. Question number 5. This is not the part of spray dryer. Options A. Tray, B. Nozzle, C. Cyclone separator, D. Atomizer. Correct answer A. Trays. Question number 6. This type of dryer is used for drying of grains, flours, peas. Options A. Cabinet dryer, B. Kiln dryer, C. Fluidized bed dryer, D. Spray dryer. Correct answer C. Fluidized bed dryer. Question number 7. Water activity can be defined by options A. Newton's law, B. Raoult's law, C. Rankine's law, D. Kelvin's law. Correct answer B. Raoult's law. Question number 8. Usually dash sucrose in solution will stop the growth of all microorganisms in foods. Options A. 50%, B. 65%, C. 70%, D. 80%. Correct answer C. 70%. Question number 9. Under equilibrium conditions, water activity equals to options A. 100 by RH, B. RH by 100, C. 10 by RH, D. RH by 1000. Correct answer B. RH by 100. Question number 10. This is type of pneumatic conveyor dryer. Options A. Airlift dryer, B. Fluidized bed dryer, C. Spray dryer, D. Both B and C. Correct answer D. Both B and C. Question number 11. The solution with low solute concentration is having dash osmotic pressure. Options A. Low, B. High, C. 0, D. Same. Correct answer A. Low. Question number 12. This is part of spray dryer which collects the dried powder from drying chamber. Options A. Cyclone separator, B. Atomizer, C. Blower, D. Nozzle. Correct answer A. Cyclone separator. Question number 13. The shrinkage of cell occurs due to dash of water from cells. Options A. Addition, B. Removal, C. Both A and B, D. None of the options. Correct answer B. Removal. Question number 14. The rate of dehydration is affected by options A. Humidity, B. Temperature difference, C. Air velocity, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 15. The drying of food in which first freezing and then the sublimation of ice under vacuum is known as dash. Options A. Freeze drying, B. Vacuum drying, C. Spray drying, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Freeze drying. Question number 16. The loss of moisture from the surface of food material due to high temperature, so surface become dried. This is known as options A. Case hardening, B. Tenderization, C. Rigor mortis, D. None of the options. Correct answer A. Case hardening. Question number 17. The concentrated foods like sugar syrups have dash osmotic pressure. Options A. Low, B. High, C. 0, D. None of the above. Correct answer B. High. Question number 18. The boiling point of water is dash degree Celsius. Options A. 100 degrees Celsius, B. 110 degrees Celsius, C. 73 degrees Celsius, D. 105 degrees Celsius. Correct answer A. 100 degrees Celsius. Question number 19. Porosity of food dash the rate of drying. Options A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. No effect on, D. Either A or B. Correct answer B. Increases. Question number 20. Spray drying used for the drying of food like options A. Grains, fruit pieces, flours, B. Fruit pieces, peas, meat patties, C. Milk powder, dehydration of vegetables, grapes, D. Milk powder, instant coffee, fruit juice powder. Correct answer D. Milk powder, instant coffee, fruit juice powder. Question number 21. In certain concentrated milk products, sandiness is produced due to options A. Denaturation of proteins, B. Crystallization of fat, C. Crystallization of lactose, D. All of the options. Correct answer C. Crystallization of lactose. Question number 22. In dash, heated air is blown up through the food particles with just enough force to suspend the particles in a gentle motion. Options A. Kiln dryer, B. Vacuum dryer, C. Spray dryer, D. Fluidized bed dryer. Correct answer D. Fluidized bed dryer. Question number 23. In dash, liquid foods, purees, pastes are applied in thin layer into the surface of a revolving heated drum. Options A. Spray drying, B. Roller drying, C. Fluidized bed dryer, D. Kiln dryer. Correct answer B. Roller drying. Question number 24. IM food stands for options A. Intentionally modified foods, B. Internal moisture foods, C. Intermediate moisture foods, D. Ingredients modified foods. Correct answer C. Intermediate moisture foods. Question number 25. Heat sensitive foods are most commonly concentrated in dash. Options A. Open kettles, B. Vacuum evaporator, C. Flash evaporator, D. Thin film evaporator. Correct answer B. Vacuum evaporator. Question number 26. Food dehydration is done because options A. To decrease weight of food, B. For the preservation of food, C. To produce convenience of food, D. All of the options. Correct answer D. All of the options. Question number 27. As the surface area of food increases, the rate of drying dash. Options A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. No effect, D. All of the options. Correct answer B. Increases. Question number 28. As pressure is lowered, the boiling temperature dash. Options A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. Remains constant, D. Either A or B. Correct answer A. Decreases. Question number 29. Dash water is easiest to remove and evaporate from the food. Options A. Free water, B. Imbibed water, C. Colloidal gel water, D. All of the options. Correct answer A. Free water. Question number 30. Dash is used for drying of orange juice. Options A. Vacuum drying, B. Format drying, C. Smoke drying, D. Spray drying. Correct answer B. Format drying. Now comment down your score out of 30 If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Unacademy has started a free test series for 10th and 12th level prelims. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th and 12th level prelims exam to be held in 2021. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.